We women, especially when we're a little bit older, we want to have the best skincare products to use on our skin. And we normally would look at the very first top 5 ingredients to see what are the most powerful, what are the most active ingredients on there, right? But sometimes we forget that we should also look for the ingredients that shouldn't be on there, because I call them poison for the skin. So today I'm going to talk about this one product that I had to throw because my doctor says it does have a very toxic element. Hello everyone, my name is Jackie D. If this is your first time on my channel, my goal is to help you find your self-esteem, to help you build your morale. In many ways, could be skincare, hair, fashion, clothing, just feeling good, health, exercise, anything like that. Anything that will build your confidence, even by just 1%. That's what I am here for. So if you need a little bit of a boost, count me in. Yesterday, I went to visit my doctor. She's actually a medical doctor by profession. And previous to that, she sent me a PDF file. And you can send me an email if you want a copy of this PDF file, okay? This PDF file lists the different ingredients or preservatives that are very harmful to your skin. So she asked me to go over my different skin products. You want your skin to be pretty and safe and healthy, so you don't want to be putting those that are harmful. Defeats the purpose, right? And she has confirmed that my melasma comes from my 2 pregnancies. And because my collagen at 62 has, of course, already waned, then that's why my melasma is more pronounced. Well, I wear makeup, I wear foundation, and that's why you can't see my melasma. So I started to look at the product. And this is a product that I love so much. We're told we have to put vitamin C, to lighten any pigmentation. So I have this. And then I looked at all the ingredients. And I love all the ingredients, except that it has this #1 preservative that's very harmful for our skin. And it's Phenoxyethanol, this one. The PDF that I can send you, it's actually the one that my doctor made, is colored and very clear. My printer is not very good anymore. I think I need to change my printer ink. Phenoxyethanol. And this one has phenoxyethanol. And I actually brought all of my products to her clinic yesterday. And she went through all of them. Where are you going to get a doctor like that? Right? She went through all of them. And so this one, she said, no. Because phenoxyethanol is one of the biggest no-nos in a product. So remember that name. When you're looking at products to put on your skin, make sure to watch out for phenoxyethanol. What I suggest is to go over all your products. I know I spent a lot. Like I bought this for $33. And I've used more than half. But you know what? I'm going to say goodbye. If you find this episode helpful, don't forget to give it a like, comment, and share. And let's spread the word that it's not only the active ingredients that we need to look at when we're trying to buy a skincare product. We should also look at the ingredients that should not be on there. There will be many substitutes. But see, this is my disclaimer. I'm not a doctor. I have a doctor. I am not an expert. So I talk to my doctor. And so I suggest you also talk to your doctor or to your skincare professional. And then that way you have the proper guidance. Because, we want to have good skin, but money is scarce, right? We can't just keep spending money here and there. And I know some products, there's just a lot of hype about them. I will see them on Instagram, on TikTok. And, when you're very tempted to buy a product, I would say ask a professional. That's the best. Ask a professional. That's the best. Okay, well, thank you for watching my video. And I share stories of what I go through, my experience with taking care of myself, taking care of my skin, anything that I know helps me build my confidence, because I think that if they work for me, they just might work for you. So you take care, appreciate yourself every step of the way, because that will make you love yourself even more. Don't forget to follow me on my other platforms, TikTok at The Real D, Instagram at The Real D, and my Facebook page, Building Your Self-Esteem on Social Media. Take care. Bye for now.